Okay, now we're going to look at what's my rule. So I want you to look at this right here and think of it as kind of a machine. We're going to take the numbers from our in box and put it into the machine. Now the rule says we're going to plus 4, and then we write what comes out at the bottom. So if we put in our 8, and we put in 8 and then add 4, 8 plus 4 equals 12. So in our out box, we're going to write 12. Now we want to put in the number 13. So we put 13 into our machine. 13 plus 4 equals 17. So we would write 17 in the out box. Now we're going to put in the number 15. So I put 15 into my machine and I add 4. 15 plus 4 equals 19. So 19 goes into my out. Now I'm going to put in the number 20. 20 goes into my machine. I add 4 and it comes out 24. And then finally I have 22. I put 22 into the machine and I add 4. So 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. It comes out 26, and there is my answer. Now, just like frames and arrows, sometimes we don't always have the numbers that we need. So if my rule is plus 2, and I have 7, 14, and then in my out, I have 18, and then I have 20, and then I have 26. Now, when your number is in the in box, you can follow the rule because you're putting it in the machine from the top where it's supposed to go. So 7, we put it in the machine, plus 2 equals 9. So we put 9 in our out box. Now we have 14. So 14 put into the machine, 14 plus 2 equals 16. But now 18 is not in our in, it's in our out. So we have to go backwards. And just like frames and arrows, if you go backwards, you have to flip the rule. So the rule was plus 2, but when we go backwards, we're going to minus 2. So 18 minus 2 equals 16. So we put 16 in our inbox. Now 20 is in our inbox. So we get to put it in at the top and we get to follow the rule. So 20 plus 2 equals 22. Put 22 next to our 20 in the out box. And now again we have 26. And 26 is in our out box. So we have to go backwards. And what do we do when we have to go backwards? We have to flip the rule. So instead of adding 2, we're going to subtract 2. So 26 goes up backwards. 26 minus 2 is 24. So our in is going to be 24.